You grew the herbs. You cared for them. Now comes the moment most people mess up. Preservation. If you do this wrong, flavor disappears, potency drops. But if you do it right, your harvest lasts all year, with strength intact. Preserving herbs does not need fancy tools. It needs timing and technique. First, the most important rule: harvest at the right time. This decides everything. Herbs should be harvested in the morning, after dew dries, before heat rises. This is when essential oils are highest. That is where flavor and benefits live. Late harvest equals weaker herbs. Always. Now let us start with air drying. The simplest method. Air drying works best for leafy herbs, like basil, oregano, thyme. Tie small bundles together. Do not overcrowd them. Hang them upside down in a dark, dry, well-ventilated space. Light destroys nutrients. Darkness preserves them. Drying usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. You will know they are ready when leaves crumble easily. Next is oven drying. This is faster, but requires caution. Set your oven to the lowest temperature possible, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread herbs on a baking sheet. 1 layer only. Leave the oven door slightly open. This lets moisture escape. Check frequently. Overheating destroys oils. This method works when time matters, but gentle heat is critical. Now let us talk dehydrators. Food dehydrators are excellent for herbs. They offer low controlled heat. Set the temperature low, usually between 95 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread herbs evenly. Allow airflow. Dehydrators preserve color and aroma. This is one of the best methods if you harvest often. Now let us talk freezing, often overlooked. Freezing works well for tender herbs like parsley, cilantro, dill. Chop herbs. Place them in ice cube trays. Cover with water or olive oil. Freeze. Once frozen, transfer to storage bags. This locks in flavor. Frozen herbs are best for cooking, not garnishing. Another powerful method is oil infusion. This preserves herbs and creates medicine. Choose dried herbs, never fresh. Moisture causes mold. This matters. Place dried herbs in a clean jar. Cover completely with oil. Olive oil is common, so is coconut oil. Seal the jar. Store in a dark place. After 4 to 6 weeks, strain. You now have infused oil. Used for cooking or topical care. Let us talk vinegar preservation. Infused vinegar is simple and powerful. Place clean, dried herbs in a jar. Cover with apple cider vinegar. Seal tightly. Store away from light. After 2 to 4 weeks, strain. Use for digestion support. This method extracts minerals, especially calcium and magnesium. Now storage. This step matters. Dried herbs should be stored in airtight containers. Glass is best. Avoid plastic. Avoid light. Label jars with name and date. Potency fades over time. Use within 1 year for best results. After that, flavor declines. There are common mistakes. Over-drying. This removes oils. Storing near heat. This degrades compounds. Grinding too early. Whole leaves preserve better. Crush herbs only when needed. That releases aroma. Preserving herbs is not complicated. It is intentional. Each method has a purpose. Choose based on how you use your herbs. Teas, cooking, medicine, preservation protects your work and your time. If you grow herbs, this matters a lot. Your harvest is valuable. Treat it that way. If this helped you, like the video. If you want more herbal skills, subscribe. How do you preserve your herbs? Comment below. A good harvest deserves a good ending. Now you know how to do it.